Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a haul video for you guys. Now I know it's been a while since I did a haul video. I mean, before I used to do haul after haul after haul video, but for some reason lately I just haven't been in the shopping mood. I don't know what's happening. I've just been coming up with so many different videos, but I don't know, for some reason I just haven't done a haul video, so I thought, you know, why not do it today. I just have a few things that I bought online. I have some lingerie, makeup, it's just a mishmash of different things, and I also got my Kylie Makeup order in, so I'm so excited to show you guys everything I got. Before we get into this, don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like, and comment on this video, and of course to join my giveaway. So if you guys want to see all of the random stuff I bought online, just keep on watching. First up is this package from Madam Angel. I actually ordered an entire lingerie set from them, and I'm so super excited because it's so beautiful and super comfortable. Okay, I actually tried it on already, but I still want to show you guys what I got. The set has 3 lace bras, so there's a black one, a wine red one, and a nude one. So let me just show you guys the nude one. This one is actually, I like all the colors, but this one is the one I can see myself using a lot. This is how the nude one looks like. I actually really love all of the colors, but I feel like this one is the one I'm gonna be using a lot just because it's such a neutral color and it's gonna go with a lot of things. Now, don't be fooled. I know it looks like a top, but it's actually a bra, but I think I can also wear it as a top. So I really love the lace detailing on it, and of course there's protective padding here. And the reason why I bought this is because it really does support and shape your breasts, but there's no wire. I mean, look at that. I'm already folding it. There's no wire. And you know what, I don't know about you guys, but I am so done with wires. I just can't suffer through those things anymore, so I'm really just changing up all of my bras and getting non-wired bras. They're just more comfortable, okay? And I don't want to get, you know, breast cancer or anything with all the bras I'm wearing. So that's basically why I bought this. Plus, it's super duper pretty, right? And it's very comfortable. This set also comes with matching underwear, and wow, this is a lot of underwear. So I have 6 high-waisted panties. So of course in the same colors as the bra. So we have the nude one right here, and the black one, and of course the wine red one, and again the colors again, the black one, the red one, and the nude one. You know, initially I thought I just got 6 of the same styled panty, but looking closely at it, these are 2 different styles in all the colors, which now I like the set even more. This one is the first design, so it's basically super lacy here on the front and super simple at the back. This one is the second design. Now this one actually resembles the more everyday panty type of style. It just has lace detailing here, but it basically just looks like an everyday panty. I will link it down below if ever it's still available, or I will link similar stuff below. Next up is this really big box of Quinns Living and Kitchen Ultra Microfiber Towel Set. So obviously I have been super into sets. I don't know, I just have a new liking for sets. It's really great to get a lot of something in different colors. I don't know if you guys like that, but I'm super into that. So this is how it looks like. Wow, look at all these colors, and they're super duper soft. These are basically microfiber towels. I don't know if you guys use microfiber towels or anything, but it's basically a lightweight. Here, I'll show you guys. What color do I like? Purple. Okay, I'll show you guys the purple one. So this is the towel. It's super skinny, super lightweight, but it's highly absorbent, and it dries super duper fast, and I really need that in my life, okay? It super duper annoys me when I shower in the morning and then I get home after a long day at work and my towel is still wet from using it in the morning. But with microfiber towels, that's not gonna happen to you. It's just gonna dry up super fast, and it's just a way more convenient towel. So I actually bought this because I go to the gym a lot, and I am so tired of bringing, you know, those regular towels, and it's just so heavy. It takes up so much space. This one, look at this. I can just, it's so small, right? And it's an entire, like, it's a big beach towel type of size. So I'm super excited for that. So this set actually has, how many? Has 5 of the big beach size towels, and it also comes with 3 of these smaller towels. These I'm actually really excited to use also because I love doing that thing where you put the towel on your back. I don't know if you guys do that, but I do that a lot because I had pneumonia before and that just wasn't fun. So I learned to do that to myself, especially when I sweat. So that's basically why I bought this entire set. It's such a great towel. I love it. It's super duper soft. It's light, highly absorbent. It's just a great towel. So I'm super excited about this. I'm not quite sure if they sell this particular set anymore, but I will link you guys similar ones down below if I can't find this one anymore. Next up is my package from the SM store. Now this one, I obviously did not buy this online. This is the only thing in this entire haul that I did not buy online. This is just something I picked up yesterday because I need it for an upcoming video, so I thought I'd just throw it into this haul because I super enjoy shopping for these things. Okay, so here I have 3 lipsticks. I'm sure you're wondering, what is Addie gonna do with 3 lipsticks? Well, I'm gonna be shooting a dupe video, so stay tuned for that. And these, they were so amazing. I actually found dupes of a popular lipstick in the US, and you guys can get it here in the Philippines, which is amazing, right? But anyway, I'm just gonna let you guys know what I bought. So these are all from Maybelline. So this one is the Creamy Mattes. It is in the shade 656 Clay Crush. This is a really beautiful nude peachy type of shade. And this one is the, where's the name? This one's also from Maybelline. It is from their matte collection. It is in the shade 655 Darlingly Nude. Now this one is more of a brownish with a hint of pink type of nude. So this one, I actually really love all of these colors on my lips. I of course tested them and they were really great. So the last one I picked up is from the Powder Mattes collection, and this is in the shade Touch of Nude. Now honestly, looking at it when I bought it, I did not fall in love with the packaging. I mean, it looks weird, right? It looks like toys. It looks like toys to me. I don't know if you guys are getting that vibe, but it kind of looks like toys. Not super into the packaging, but you know what? I can't complain because all of the price tags on these say they are $2.99, but 2 of these were actually on sale for $1.99, which I think is a really good deal considering it was already cheap at $2.99 and it became even cheaper at $1.99. So which ones were they? So the Creamy Mattes are the ones that were on sale for $1.99 from $2.99, but this one was still regular price at $2.99. I actually also got one more thing, but I don't know, I can't find it. I think I misplaced it somewhere, but I also bought my favorite, my OG Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Sand. I just ran out, so of course I can't live without it. So I just bought a refill, which I can't find anymore, so I feel like I have to buy another one unless I find it again. I don't know, it's just a mess right now. My room is a mess, but I will find it. Like always, I saved the best for last, and it is in this beautiful, actually, you know, the box is pretty boring. Now obviously this is not the original packaging. I actually ordered this and had it shipped to my friend who then went to the Philippines. So special shout out to Ramon. Thank you for taking this with you back to the Philippines. Anyway, so here in this box is actually something I'm super duper excited for because I've been waiting years, okay, years to actually try this out. It's only now that I remember to buy it, but I remember when it first came out, I super wanted to try it, but I just didn't for some reason. This is what is in the box. Can you guys guess what it is? It of course is Kylie Makeup. Now I'm super duper excited for this because I've never ever tried Kylie products ever before, so I'm excited to get into this. I actually tried to get as much as I could, like within staying within a budget. I gave myself $100 budget, but I went a little bit overboard. But I also got as much variety of products as I can. I have blush, I have highlighter, I have the lip stuff, different lip glosses. You know, it's a lot. So I'm so excited to do a review on this and of course to share it with all of you. These are all the products that I got. I am so super excited to try every single one of these, and of course I'm going to be making a dedicated video on all of these. My package came with this Kylie card. I love it. It's like she wrote it for me, but I know she didn't. Let's start with this one. This is the Kylie Matte Liquid Lipstick and Lip Liner. So this is basically her lip kit. This is her OG product. This is the first product she came out with, and I'm pretty sure you guys know that. But this one is actually a new shade. It is in the shade Kylie. So this is her signature shade. So I'm excited to try this. So here in the package, there are two things. So we have this is the matte liquid lipstick, and this one is the matching lip liner. I'm so excited to try these. I mean, if she named the shade after her, I'm pretty sure this is gonna be one of the best shades that she has. So I'm super excited to try this. I've never ever tried Kylie lip kits. I did try the fake ones. That was a mistake. I don't ever buy fake makeup, but I'm excited to try these. I hope I like it. I also picked up the OG Lip Trio. So this one actually has her best-selling shades. So it's Candy K, Dulce K, and True Brown K. So let's check it out. Yes! Look at that. So beautiful. I actually really like this set because there's a pinky shade, there's a nude one, and there's a brown one. So you can really try. It's a really good range of colors. So I think it's really great because, you know, if you're still exploring, you don't know what really looks good on you, it's great to have this option wherein you can try a different range of colors. This pinky nude shade is Candy K, and this nude brown one is the Dulce K, and of course this dark brown one is the True Brown K. Now these actually are the ones I super wanted to try out, especially Candy K and Dulce K. These are the ones, like when she first came out with her line, I just wanted to buy these, but they were just so hard to get. They were always sold out. So at least, you know, now that the hype has kind of gone down, now I can actually get the shades I want. So I'm super duper excited about this. I can't wait to swatch them, try it on my lips. It's gonna be amazing. I got another trio. This is the SORTA Sweet Lip Trio. Now the reason I actually got this was, well, of course the colors look really great, but this one actually has a variety of product types. Now it's not just colors, it's also product types. So this one has velvet liquid lipstick, a super glitter gloss, and a matte liquid lipstick. So those are her different formulas. She of course has the matte, that's the original, and then she came out with the velvet liquid lipsticks, and I also get to try the lip glosses. So that's basically why I bought this set. I mean, look at that. Look at those colors. Okay, so I'm gonna run it through you guys one by one. So this one, this shade is the Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and it is in the shade Boy Bye. Now the Velvet Liquid Lipsticks, I'm actually really excited for these because everybody says that the matte liquid lipsticks are so drying, it cracks your lips. So I think that's why she came out with this velvet formula. So this one should be the more comfortable one. So I'm excited for this one. And this one is the glitter gloss in the shade Glitz. It's a goldy type of glittery type of gloss. Super excited for this. So many people rave about Kylie's glosses, so I'm so excited that I get to try it for myself. So the last one is of course her original formula. This is the matte liquid lipstick in the shade Malibu. Now this one is kind of a subdued brownie pink type of thing. I actually had to check if this shade was very similar to the OG Lip Trio, but they're all really different, which is really great because I get to try so many different colors and so many different formulas. I also picked up the KOURT Pressed Powder Palette. Now this one actually, I wasn't really quite sure if I would get it or not, but I ended up getting it because I realized I wanted to try the eyeshadow formulas, and I'm sure, you know, they're all the same. So this is how it looks like. I'm really not into mint green, but the colors here actually look really unique. So that's basically why I went for it. I don't think I have these colors in my collection. So there's a red, brownish one, a green, and a olive gold green type of shade. See, right, I don't know, these are not normal color, so that's basically why I went for it. And I really want to try the eyeshadow formula of, you know, Kylie products, so that's basically why I went for this. And also this was the smallest one and the cheapest eyeshadow palette I could find, so that's basically why I went for it. I am so excited for this one. This is the Coco Collection Pressed Powder palette. Now this one is Kylie's collaboration with her older sister Chloe, and her nickname is Coco. That's basically why it's called the Coco Collection. So this is how it looks like inside. So there is this is basically everything you need for your face. This contour is in the shade Rodeo Drive, and over here we have this beautiful light pink rose gold type of highlight that is in the shade True Beverly Hills. And here's another highlight, but it's more of a pearly white type of highlight, and this one's in the shade 90210. And of course we have a beautiful pink blush, and this one's in the shade Hollywood Boulevard. One of the main reasons I got this was because I wanted to try all of Kylie's different formulas for, you know, face products. And the great thing about this is it's just one palette, but it has so many different things. I have the contour, I have the highlight, I have the bronzer, I have the blush. It's just really great, and I really like the shades as well. I think this would match my skin tone so good, and I can't wait to try this out. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I basically just buy a bunch of sets. Most of the stuff in this haul, it's basically sets. I'm just super into those. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next one. Mwah!